In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Microsoft Edge favorites and favorites bar. Let's start with the quickest way to save a site you love. When you are on a web page, click the star icon in the address bar. Edge will prompt you to name the favorite, and you can keep it short so it's easy to spot later. For instant, one-click access. Choose the favorites bar folder before you save. That places the site right on the bar beneath your address bar, so it's always within reach. If the star turns solid, you'll know it's been saved. Next, let's look at the full favorites manager for deeper control. Type Edge favorites into the address bar and press enter. This page is your command center. Here, you can sort your favorites to tidy things up, and use the import or export options to move bookmarks between browsers, or back them up. If you've collected duplicates over time, use the Remove Duplicates option to clean them out in a couple of clicks. Taking a moment here keeps everything organized and reduces clutter across your browser. To build structure, create folders so related sites live together. In the Favorites pane, click the Add Folder button and give it a clear, memorable name, like Work, Shopping, Travel, or Research. Then, simply drag and drop your saved links into the right folders. This makes scanning your list much faster and helps you keep your most used links front and center. You can rearrange items at any time by dragging them up or down until they're in the perfect order. Now, let's control when the favorites bar appears. Go to Settings and More, the three dots in the top right corner. Then choose Appearance, find Show Favorites bar and pick the option that fits your workflow. Always if you want it visible on every page. Only on new tabs, for a cleaner view while you browse but quick access when you open a new tab, or never. If you prefer a minimalist look and rely on the menu instead. This small change can make your browsing feel calmer and more focused. Finally, when you are ready to dive into a project, right-click any folder on the Favorites bar and select Open All. Edge will open every site in that folder in separate tabs at once, saving you time. Just be mindful if the folder is large, as it can open many tabs quickly, and that's it. Simple, organized, and efficient. Thanks for watching.